Another delay in the Patrick Lyoya murder case. A decision today by a Kent County District Court judge indefinitely pushes back a pivotal hearing in the case against former police officer Chris Schur.
News 8's Byron Tollefson joins us in studio now with why the process is being delayed and what comes next. Byron.
Brian and Sue, this important hearing was originally supposed to happen July 18th, before the defense asked for more time, delaying it to August 30th. Now it's being pushed back again.
State of Michigan versus Christopher Schur.
For a second time, the road to former officer Christopher Schur's trial has slowed down. Today, a Kent County District Court judge pushed back a preliminary examination. That's when both sides start to present their case. Attorneys for Schur sought the delay because before the hearing takes place, they want GRPD training records, policies, and procedures between 2015 and 2022.
The defendant, in every case, has a fundamental right to review the discovery so they can effectively prepare to cross-examine the state's witnesses. And that's all we're asking for here.
Matt Borgula, representing Schur, believes the training materials will bolster their case that Schur acted under police policy, justifying the killing of Patrick Lyoya.
Given the circumstances, given the steps that Officer Schur took, this case is a case of a justifiable killing, not one of murder.
Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker was against another delay. He says he's ready. He's planning to have 6 witnesses, and the Lyoya family deserves that hearing as soon as possible.
For my perspective, that's going to be the most difficult day for the victim's family. Just because, there's going to be the videos and stuff like that, and if they've kind of been preparing for this.
Becker proposed the judge letting him present his case and the defense going whenever they're ready. But the judge ultimately sided with Schur's attorneys, canceling the preliminary exam without rescheduling.
I do think that the ability to effectively cross-examine the people's witness at the preliminary examination is important enough to justify further delay.
The judge also issued a subpoena for the city of Grand Rapids to turn over the training records. Becker was not opposed to that.
So I really don't have an objection because obviously we want them to have all the materials they feel they need to proceed.
Both sides will return to court on September 23rd for a status conference, discussing the documents and next steps in the case.
Let's sit down with the city, get them in here, and then get these documents over to the defense as soon as we can, so we don't, do this, a third or a fourth time.
Borgula says the delays are not unusual for a second-degree murder case in Michigan, and when they get the documents they say they need, they're more than ready to go.
Nobody wants to get this over with quicker than Officer Schur, who is confident that he's going to be exonerated.